My video guide will provide you with help to understand the danger of the scary alerts coming from the site securesystemstatus.com. securesystemstatus.com. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, then you should realize that these pop-ups try to deceive you and to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. The website securesystemstatus.com tells that your PC may be vulnerable to viruses and threats. It also tells that you need to protect your system by clicking on the Protect Now button. But in reality, all these pop-ups are totally faulty and you should not trust what they tell you. If you start interacting with these alerts, you may be forced to download and install some potentially unwanted software. So please be very careful, do not trust these fake alerts by securesystemstatus.com. Do not interact with them. We recommend you to first of all check the control panel of your device and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them here on the list, get rid of anything suspicious and not familiar to you. I would also strongly advise that you scan your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus for proper detection and removal of any other hidden adware or malware. You may get Combo Cleaner on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download it through this green download button. Install the software and start researching your system to detect and delete other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.